video, we're going to be teaching you how to do a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. So first step is you want to scramble the Rubik's Cube. Alright, now my Rubik's Cube is scrambled. So right now what I'm going to do is find any white piece. So the white piece I'm going to find is probably this one in front of me. So I'm going to put this white piece in front of me. Like, see, this is the white piece and it's supposed to go in front of me. So right now it's right here. So now it's in front of me. And then whatever the color is in front of you, where the white piece is in front of you, we are going to find any white piece on the top where it is red. And here it is. So then you want to do, this is an algorithm that you should know. It's up, left, down, right. And you want to do that algorithm till this white piece goes in the bottom right next to this white piece. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. So now as you can see, these two white pieces are now together. And to make the first layer, you can see that these two are also matching together. And also I'll show you some other scenarios that can happen. Other scenarios you can find is when you have the orange here and the white here, and when you want to find the color orange and white on top, you cannot find any of them. And if it's not there, it's on the bottom, right here. As you can see, it's in the corner, bottom corner. So to make this to make this corner go up, you need to go just put it up like this. But if it's going to destroy it, you want to keep on moving it till it goes up. So right now, since this is in the corner, to move it up, we want to move this up here, so that now in the top, so that you can move it to make it up here, so that you can do up, left, down, right, all the way till it goes in the bottom beside it. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. And as you can see, these two are together and these two are together as a match. Once you find a match, and then once you do it, you have to turn it like this. Like turn the whole cube. Don't turn only the first layer. So then you want to turn the whole cube. Then in front of you, it's going to be white and blue. Then you'll find up in the bottom, white and blue. In the bottom. And then here, there's also no white and blue. So it's either in the bottom. And here it is in the right corner again. So so then you want to put this piece up like that, so it does not damage any improvements. So that it does not damage any improvements that you have done. So then when you do it, oh yeah, and I forgot to tell. When you want to make this over here, don't do up, left, down, right when it's over here. This cube is supposed to be right in the right side of your hand. So you want to move it to the right side of your hand, and then you want to do up, left, down, right till it gets to the bottom. You want to do up, left, down, right. You want to do the algorithm till it gets the white piece down here. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. And once you did that, you want to turn the cube, not turn the first layer. Turn the cube, and now here is white and this is red. So you want to find here white and red. So right here I found very quickly is white and red. So then you want to do up, left, down, right till the white piece is down here. Up, left, down, right. And then you can only do it once. See, I already did it once here. And then you want to turn the cube, and now here is green and white. So, so right here is green. So right here is green and white. So I want to turn, so here is green and white. You want to turn it to your right side of your hand. And then you want to do up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. And then you have done, and once you did that all, you can, and then you figure out that all of your layers, all of the first layer is done. And also all the white center is also done. So once you do that, we're going to go to step number 2. In step number 2, all you have to do is ignore all the yellow and focus on the 2 colors in each corner and match it with the bottom corner's color. And to do that, you have to, for example, these 2 colors, red and blue, matched it with the 2 colors in the bottom, red and blue. And all you have to do is do that to all the corners on the top. So, for example, to do that, if you cannot do that to all at once, you at least have to find 2 correct. You at least gotta find 2 correct. For example, if you can, if you cannot find 2 correct, you keep on twisting the top till you find 2 correct. And for example, I just found 2 correct beside each other. For example, because red and it does not have to be the whole thing same color. They don't all have to be the same color. They can be diagonal, they can be cross, they can be anything. So, for example, these 2 colors, blue and orange, are matched up with blue and orange in the bottom. And for these 2 colors, you have to put it on orange and I can't see. For example, orange and green is matched up with orange and green. So what you have to do is put it on your left side. Put them on your left side of your hand, and the one that's scrambled, just put it on your right. And for this step, you gotta do another algorithm. So you do up, left, down, right, and then twist the whole cube to your left. So the white has to be at your left corner. The left side of the corner. And then for that, you gotta do another algorithm that goes up, right, and down. And then you'll see all of the corners in their side. Sometimes there are other problems like the diagonal ones and you don't know what to do. So if you reach out as unscrambled one, then you put it on your left side of your hand. Then beside it, there should be a scrambled one. So then beside the scrambled one, you turn the whole cube. So the scrambled now should be on the left side of your hand. And then you do up, left, down, right, turn the cube, up, right, down, right. And after that, 2 together should be the same. And we've been doing this. So, and if you're lucky, they're all gonna be correct and the same. So, but we're not lucky here. Anyway. Now the two unscrambled one is on the left side of your hand. Then in the right side of the hand, you do up, left, down, right, turn the cube, up, right, down, right. Yes, that's it. And then you make at least one correct. And then at least one of them will be correct. All of them will be correct. And then all of them will be correct. Like what happened here, like what's happening here. Then after that, and then we're gonna go and then we're gonna figure out what will happen in step 4. Step 4, this is gonna be the final step. I'm so proud of you how much you guys made it through. So, in step 4 is actually probably the most easiest part of all. So all you have to do is now flip it all upside down so that the white surface will be on top. Then you should find at least, yellow, any yellow, at least in here, like in the bottom corner. Then you should do, and then you know the algorithm, up, left, down, right, till we're doing it on here. So basically the same as the white. So you do up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. And now as you can see, the yellow is down here, which is probably the same as the white as you've done before. But you might think you're going to turn the cube like this, but you're not going to be doing that. You have to turn only here so that it can turn to the next one instead of turning it only like this. So then once you've done this, you have to turn the bottom cube and then do up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, till it's all in the bottom. And then you twist it and you do up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right. And then you turn the bottom and then you do up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right. And then you can see that you know what to do in here. You just got to turn at least one correct and then it's all going to be solved.